Qlucore Omics Explorer includes a powerful functionality called templates. It enables scripting of program functionality in the Python language. The program is shipped with a selection of templates that serve three different purposes. 1. They are automation of common tasks. 2. They assist with data download from public sources such as TCGA. And 3. They are examples and starting points if you would like to create your own favorite template. Templates are started from the template browser. We select the multigroup ANOVA template. To set up the ANOVA test, we need to define an annotation to use and a cutoff. This dataset has a very strong signal, so we need to select a low cutoff. The template will then run the ANOVA and set up a sample plot as well as a heat map. The heat map is ordered according to hierarchical clustering and colored according to the selected annotation. The last step in the template is that the discriminating variables are copied to a list, and that list is populated with individual Q values. To summarize, templates are very powerful and very easy to use. With very few key presses, we have run complete statistical analysis of the dataset. Now we have results ready in both terms of plots and lists. But the very best thing here is that you now can continue the analysis in any way you want. The template sets you up in a defined state. If you want to run a new template, add a plot, or change settings, you can do so. To learn more, visit the Qlucore website.